Okay, you chosen the St. Louis Cardinals 3x3 Rubik's Cube. This is a Rubik's Cube with each of the stickers having something related to baseball or specifically the St. Louis Cardinals. So here we go. Here's my time. There we go. Finish. Come on. I'm confused myself. Alright. Let's see. There we go. We got two red sides, so it's easy to get confused. Okay, I got center parity since it's a picture cube, so I have to fix that real quick. Let's do this. Okay, that's that. And I got another one. Okay. Okay, that's good, that's good, that's good, that's good. That looks upside down. Somebody else upside down? Okay. Ah, this was upside down. That could have saved me some time. Okay. 2:47. 2 minutes 47 seconds. Okay, one face we got the St. Louis Cardinals logo. Okay, the other side is the St. Louis logo, STL inside there. We got another one that looks like it's on top of wood, established 1892. I don't know what this logo is. I'm sorry. National something. All the years that the Cardinals were World Series champions up until 2006, because I bought this in 2006. Got that one. Okay, and then the brand side with the cardinal bird all around it. Okay, I think that's all the sides. So there you go, St. Louis Cardinals Rubik's Cube.